Yo, what up? What is up? Sorry for the late start. Sorry for the late start. My sincerest apologies. Just letting the people know in the Discord, the DCA gang, the DGen fam. I gotta log into my accounts again. How's the camera? Am I fucking mother? I'm just curious. Am I? Do I look like a fucking robot? All right, I think we're good. I think we are good. I restarted my laptop. Is that Gian Rich? Yo, Andy, MCT, Konija, Fireflame, Raphael, Benny, Coffee Buff. Yo, I was just saying in the Discord like 20 minutes ago how much I fucking hate the not the fucking queue, not the Discord. The Discord is fucking the shit. It's the best community on these proper streets. Not a Freudian slip. No, but I hate the fucking NQ. All I was trying to do before was get 9 fucking points to get my $900 day in on a fucking trade day eval, and I couldn't even do that. It wouldn't give it to me. So stupid. And then it looked like it was going to, and then it would fucking bounce. It's such a piece of shit. The biggest piece of shit. That's why I don't trade my funded accounts with it. I don't trade the funded accounts with the NQ because it sucks. Mano, V33, Man Greek, Millie, Maximus, JC, Benjamin, Marco, Ron here, Jay Jackson. Woo. Well, today, you got, what is it, quad witching? I know it's OPEX. It's OPEX. So, a bunch of shit. Monthly options contracts are expiring today. Let me log into my shit here. Because that's the way you do it. The only funded accounts I traded today were my Apex accounts, by the way. Didn't touch my Lucid account. I would like to trade my other accounts, but haven't gotten around to them, you know? Might as well log into Bullinox too, just to flex my fucking balance. You know? Can you feel me? Markel, AS, Kenny, Desmond, Carbo Knight, Alfred. Nah, it didn't humble me. But you know, I was so close to getting my $900 day, and then it went the other way on me. And then I got stopped. You know, I trailed it for a gain, and then I thought it would go back down because I was short, and it went up. I just like this fucking seesawing cucking of my balance too, not just the NQ. It was fucking annoying. Let's just put it that way. All right, turning my screen on. Saw gold finally started moving down. Gold, man, I'm telling you, the fibs, guys. Hey, chat. You see, guys, the fibs? The Fibonacci, look at this shit. So we hit the all yesterday. We made new all-time highs. Finally, we broke through. We kept hitting our head, right? This was the previous all-time high, and we kept getting so close to it, just the tip, and then it would reject, and then it finally pushed through yesterday, and then we dumped, right? And then we dumped, and then it bounced, and look, came back up. I drew the fucking fib from the high to the low. It came back up. It tested the 618, came back a little bit. Then it hit the 707, pulled back, 707, pulled back, and then look, the 707 again and we're down from here, 380, 892, 160 ticks. You see, guys, the fibs are fucking amazing. QO Bill, Crank, DeLeon, Felix, White Trash Trades, NJ, J Stores, Robert Gallus, Technical. Yo, Top Step still fucked up? What a joke. Eric J, Tim Morgan, Mag Greek. You see, guys? iTrades. It's fucking hilarious, bro. It's hilarious. All right. Is my fucking brightness on? All right. Let's see what I can show you first. Well, we all know about Bullinox. Just waiting on my payouts. I requested 3,600 and something. 36. Here it is. $3,836 times 2. So Tuesday that should come out of my account. I don't see why it wouldn't. And then this is the account I was fucking around with. Where is it? I was up as much as, I don't know, $600 in a day, and then I was down like 1,100. That's why my drawdown's all fucked up. Well, let's see. Yeah, 6. Look at this. What is this shit? We did hit the 786 here. 88. And then my take profit was at 70 on the last trade. It was at 570, but I had to like get dressed and shit, you know? But I got taken out here. I was in the short here. It almost hit. I actually ended up almost fucking hitting it, of course. And then it comes up, and then finally did hit it. But what is this shit? Freaking Danny, Miss K. Ron with the large pips. Is that Ron? iTrade. Hey, Ron here. Bullinox does have an activation fee. It goes up with the size of the account. The only one worth getting is the 50K. It's $148. They're 91% off right now. Option 1, 50Ks are bigger, but only get the 50K. Use the best code ZERODAYJAY because it's the fucking best. JP. So I'm up $12 in my trade day eval after being up almost 600 and then being down 1,100. And that's all I did today. I didn't trade anything else. Day trader cut, PK. That's all I traded, guys. Hey, guys. Hey, chat. What the fuck? What's taking up all the fucking helper? Amazing. All right, anyway. Anywho. How much was my first ever payout? My very first was $2,000. Because back then, back in the day, that was in May. May 2nd, I requested my first ever payout, and it was with Apex. And back then, you didn't have to get over the buffer. You just needed to get to 2,600, and you got 2,000. Nayo, what's up? Trading Cowboy. Matty Matt. Jonathan Trentwell. Are we like, is this like a Head and Shoulders? I don't know what the fuck this shit is. It's awful. What's gold doing? All right. Let's get, actually, you know what I'll do here? We'll do this. We'll do a little bit of this. That low? Oh, we're right at the 786. Or do we go by this low? Fuck it. Am I going to get filled? If we go from the high to this low right here, chat, actually, fuck. I see, I spy another high. I mean, another low. This makes more sense. Who knows, though? The gold just dropped. How many ticks? 890, 150 ticks. All right, let me show you my other accounts. All right, so I got one funded account with Apex in well charts. I'll show you it right now, chat. Okay, chat? Hey, chat. I got one remaining account in well charts. Let's see if I could actually keep growing this one. This is the one that I went down $950 the other day. I got it back with like a $1,085 day, and then I did $369 yesterday. Well, last night for today's session. So that's one. Tick Daddy, what up? Fran Yu, Options Exchange, what's good? Yes, yo, bro, you got your long, man. Isn't that great? Trend Friend, what up? Lance. Marcine. Micah. Logan. So we got one. Isaac. One Apex PA. I don't want to miss anything. Am I gonna? Oh, look, see, it fucking went up. It just went up 20 ticks. Fuck. I had it. I should have just let myself get filled. This is what we're getting from the NQ right now. Oh my God, cuck central. Why does fuck the NQ? I hate the NQ. All right, let's go to the rest of the Apex accounts. You guys ready to see the rest of the Apex accounts? Savvy, what's up? Ron here. MG, what's good? You want to see him? You want to see him? You want me to pull him out? I'm going to pull it out right now, guys. Don't make me. Oh, I didn't trade these 6 yet. I want to trade these today. But I started the day with 19 Apex funded accounts, 19 PAs. I needed one more. I thought to myself, how hard can it be to get one more? I passed 6 yesterday, and there it is, because I replaced the 4 that I blew in well charts, which is fine. I'd rather have them all in fucking Tradeovate, but I'll keep one in there. I'll keep one in there by itself. But there we go. Remember. Oh, I gotta hold on. Hold up, though. I want to log into my. I gotta hide my screen again, real quick, chat. Okay, chat. Thanks, chat. I want to log in to my Apex account. I want to show you something because I told you guys. I literally said. I'll tell you in a second. Hold on. I told you a long time ago. I said, listen, chat. I said, chat. Hey, chat. Just got to do my little two-factor authentication shit. All right. So on Monday, I will have 20 funded Apex accounts. Now, let me turn my screen sharing back on. All right. Let me, what's going on here? Nothing. Oh, wow. The NQ just kind of popped. Not that I give a fuck about the NQ, but what's gold doing? Fuck me. Look, it's up 30 ticks. It doesn't look like much because the screen is the chart is kind of compressed. Amazing. Amazing. Oh, is that the VWAP? No, that is not the fucking VWAPs. Fucking Trader Bait. Look at that shit. All right. So, remember, I requested $705, I think, on Monday or Friday or some shit. What day was that? What day is the 15th? Monday. I got denied on Tuesday because I violated the shit out of the 30% rule. I didn't do it on purpose. It just kind of happened. But obviously it worked out. I still was able to fucking grow the account and request. So I got denied, and I said, they should have just paid me the $705 because, mark my fucking words, they're going to have to pay me $2,000. And then this one too. I mean, this one was almost at $2,000, but I pretty much said the same shit. So that's number 504 that I requested 705. Now look at 504. Look at that shit. Where is it now? Oh, that's right. Max payout land, baby. Obviously 503. I was worried about like consistency issues. I don't think I'm gonna have an issue. I'm gonna request anyway. That one's over. That's in max payout land. And then we got 5, 9, 10, 11, and 12 up 336. 5, 6, 7, and 8 up 318. 5, 13, and 5, 17 up 306. 503, 146. K Soliman. Yo, MG, my Photoshop game. I'm so good at Photoshop, you can't even tell if I'm on a website or not. Oh, yeah, Tim, I want to. Oh, my God. I knew I should have fucking got in. I would have had my $900 day here, for sure. Fuck me, bro. But, yeah, I mean, I would have been happy with this. Where did I place the order? Did I place an order and cancel it? No, I didn't cancel it. I didn't place the order yet. That sucks. I should focus on the funded accounts. Fuck this fucking eval. Wow, that was a nice little pop. So we did hit so from this last low to the high of day, we hit the 786. And that's where we've been cucking around in this golden shower pocket. But I don't know what's going to happen here. But look at this. Whoops. So right here, you got a 786, but really I think this is a more appropriate spot, and maybe even this. I don't know. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put an order. What group is this? 20. Oh, the Fibmaster Flex is the group. 6. Oh, look at that 618 rejection. Amazing, guys. You see, guys? You see, chat? Just dropped 20 fucking ticks. Matty Matt. Yeah, 20. Yo, Mike. I mean, listen. This year's almost over. My goal of 100,000 in payouts was achieved. I got it in the beginning of November. My goal for 2026 is 250,000 in payouts. At the pace I've been going, if I just stay where I'm at right now, which I think I'm going to keep getting better, right? Because every day, in every way, we're getting better and better. I mean, I should 250,000 should be I consider it a done deal, but anything could happen. So maybe it did treat this as the last high. We wicked above the 786, but we're down fucking 24 ticks already. You see, guys? You see? I want this. What's a golden shower? How hard can it be? Eric Graham, what up? Debt 5. Ron here. Yeah. Options exchange. Bro, you already knew though, man. When I buy so many accounts with Apex, you got to do everything one by one. With all prop firms, it seems one by one is the only way to go. But yo, options exchange, you were right. You were right about the long. You were just looking at the bigger time frames. Last night I was just trying to get a quick scalp. I did 8 of these. I did the groups of 4. 505 through 512. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I did those. Last night I was streaming during Asia. And I was actually down as much as $900 in 4 of them, one of the groups. Not in one single trade, just after getting fucking fucked on, stopped out, and then it kept going, and it finally got what I wanted. Derek Hughes. Josh. Probably around there, I would say. I'm real close now. I'm not that far away. What a rejection. What a rejection. Let's see. How far down does this want to go? Does it want to bounce there? Do I need to adjust this? Oh, it is bouncing. Fuck me. Oh, it bounced. You fucking piece of shit. How many ticks did it bounce so far? 19. I still think it goes lower, to be honest with you. I think it goes lower. I just have this feeling in my loins. Oh, yeah, options exchange. Yeah, man. If that's your thing, then that's your thing, right? Remember last night were you there when we were when Maximus and DBT were like trying to show me where the imbalance was and all this shit, and I'm like, oh, what around here? And I barely fucking could figure it out, and I didn't even know what the fuck they were talking about. Guess what? It didn't stop me from doing this in my accounts. There's just so many different ways to look at this shit. There's so many different ways. I don't give a fuck about imbalances. Maybe I should learn about them because it might help me have more confluence when I'm trading with the fibs, right? But it hasn't fucking gotten in the way. It's just another way to look at things. We all look at shit differently. Benjamin, oh yeah. Bowser, what up? Oh my God, bro. Carlos, what up? Holy Earth. Yo, Bowser. Yo, One Stop Trader, what's good? Yo, everybody pound the confetti like roast beef for Bowser, his first ever 30K month with prop firms, trading prop firms. Chat. Hey, chat. We all look at the tan. Yeah, exactly, Holy Earth. We all look at the tan lines. We all look at the tan lines differently. Some don't. Some it's a turn off. Some it's a turn on. You know, some people are turned on by them. Some are turned off by them. Fuck yeah, Bowser. Golf guy Mike. Pound that shit like roast beef. So it's like, I'm right behind you, bro. Don't drop the soap. I'm right behind you, man. Jay, what up? Hell yeah. I'm telling you. I'm more fatigued. All right, Carlos has been killing it. Anthony Jr. Don't drop the soap, Bowser, because I'm coming right behind you. Craig. That's good. Hey, yo. Hey, yo. Investors. This is what I thought was going to happen. I think we're going lower. I wish I was able to get in short here, but, you know, didn't happen. I was hoping it would come up another 10 ticks. How hard can it be? Yeah, there we go. There we go. Come on, drop it. Is it going to bounce here again? No, don't do that. Come down here, chat. It's not even that far away. What is... NQ came all the way back anyway. Missed it. Missed it. Look at that bounce. This low, this high. Look at that. Right off the 786. Can't make this shit up. All day it does this shit. Even the piece of shit NQ. MB, what up? What's good? Give him the O face. Oh my God. Oh, yo. Oh my God. Option exchange. Why would you ever follow a Top Step coach into a trade? You got to fade them. They are the most fadeable fucking traders. I'm not a big fan of like fading people or copy. Don't copy trade anyone. Don't copy anyone's trades. Don't follow people into their trades. Don't fade them either. But man, they are very fadeable. They are very fadeable. Wow, I wish I got in. I wish I followed, chased this fucker. 72. That's all I needed. That's all I fucking needed. This bounce here. Come on, son. Let's see if it comes. Is this gonna be the fucking where it rejects? Forex Elite, what up? Easy money, especially the in-house account. That shit like literally loses every day. I don't know if they trade that one seriously. I think they do fucking dumb shit in there. But whatever. What up, Forex? Top Step is the best. The best at what? Suckering people into the best at what? Suckering people into following them in their shit trades? Pueria fund. The P fund. Nudes. They do. They just don't lose like they won't lose 1,500 a day or 3,000 a day. They'll be down like $80, $200. Gold is just moving like shit. I really want gold to fucking come down here. Come down here. Get through the 618 and come to this 707 level I got drawn out here. OB. What? I don't even know if that's the right spot. I don't even know where you're sitting at. I don't like that spot. I like this spot. It keeps bouncing off the same fucking spot, though. It's kind of annoying. I don't even think it has that many ticks in it. I just don't know where I want to put this shit. On the 15, it makes sense to put it right here. But this isn't a bad spot either. Especially with this pivot point right here. I just don't want to, I'm worried that this isn't the right spot, that it's going to blow through this and keep going down. And I don't want to be caught in that shit. You see, guys? And this is, I mean, this is how I trade. I just wait. Stormy Horace, what up? Day one trade day payout. Fuck yeah. We love it. We love it. Project SlipX. Don't sue me. Yeah, man. See, I told you it was going to come down further. This is what I'm saying. Look at that. Keep fucking going up, please, Granny. Get the fuck up there. Keep going, please. Give it to me. Day one on these fuckers. Come on, keep going, please. No, no, no. Oh, look. Oh, come on, Granny. No. Does it want the VWAP? Oh, shit, yo. I had 200. Like, it happened too quick. That's what she said. That's what she said. We'll add there. I don't want to, actually. I don't know. I don't know what I want to do here. Maybe it retests this level and then goes back up. That was a fucking crazy pop. Go back up, please. Go back up. Let me get rid of these. Let me get rid of these. Let's draw a new one from this level. If this is the low to a high, I would say maybe this one. I'll put my take profit. Wishful thinking. I'm probably going to start trailing. We're back up almost 200 bucks. Shit. Why can't it get past that level, bruh? Push. Scott, what's up? It just did melt 50 ticks. Yeah, maybe you're right. But I'm going to get mine first. Sergio, what up? Oh, no problem. Congrats again. Did I see the game? What, the Seattle shit? I heard about it. I don't watch sports. I don't watch TV much at all. Am I going to fucking have to just take this and be happy and wait for another setup? Is that what's going to happen here? I really wanted to keep going to my take profit. Oh, you fucking piece of shit. This is what I was talking about last night too. If I would have locked in gains up here, it would have kept going to my take profit. But because I didn't, now I'm going to get stopped out. It's the it's the biggest fucking mind fuck ever. This shit. Trading is such a mind fuck. And holding to my take profit is something I'm working at. You know, I'm working on that shit. Because my take profits get hit all the fucking time, almost. Not all the time, but very often. And usually like 2 or 3 minutes after I get shaken out, trailing. So this is a perfect example of what I was talking about last night when I was streaming. But I talk about it all the time because the shit is fucking so frustrating. Yeah, I'll be streaming next week. I think, is Christmas Eve a half day? Is Christmas Eve open at all? De Leon maybe is going for the VWAP. Maybe, maybe not. Don't just assume the VWAP has a magnet on it all the time, guys. I've seen gold not give a fuck about the VWAP. All right, I got another chance. I've seen gold completely disregard the VWAP, whether it's to hit it and reject or bounce or just to get near it. But it might. I mean, it very well could. Oh, I had 150 and didn't take it. Why can't it get over this level? What the fuck is up with that level? I don't know how many opportunities I'm going to get. I might have to just take fucking $80. Watch what happens. Am I going to get a chance to fucking... I want more. I want my take profit. How hard can it be? We all know what's going to happen. Hold on a sec. We all know what's going to happen. I'm going to lock in my gains, and then it's going to fucking pump. Wait, I don't want... I'm dragging the wrong fucking thing. That was to add. This is the right one. Uh-oh. This is to add. I was dragging a buy order thinking I was dragging my stop. Come on, just fucking pop it. Pop it, yo. You piece of shit, man. I should have taken the 150 when I had a chance to, or the 70, or the 80. I'm telling you, I have PTSD from fucking from locking in gains too soon, and then it goes up and hits my take profit. But then when I don't, it goes and stops me out. So I'm fucking, you know what I mean? This is why I'm like this. I know for a fact that if I would have taken gains around here, that it would have kept going. I know for a fact. I'd put fucking money on it. It's so amazing. It's amazing. You can't fucking make this shit up. I'll live with that. I'll lose $100. And then what's going to happen? It's going to fucking pump. I guarantee it. Watch. Watch and learn. Watch and learn what I fucking deal with all fucking day. I should have taken the $100. Gold does this. Gold likes to do this. What's NQ doing? Anything? Oh, it actually dropped more. Wow, gold actually dropped. Not gold, NQ. Just take me out already. Holy fuck. Dang. Now it's going to pump. We all know how this fucking plays out. I fucking seen this movie so many times. Renee, what's up? Hey, Renee from John Jay. Congratulations. What up, Jay Hundo? Micah. I don't know, bro. Nikki. LK. What's up? Is it going to fucking not fill me here? I fucking... Dude, it's fucking hysterical. Now it's going to pop. I would love to just get filled on this one. I just don't trust it touching it and then bouncing. I need to see what the fuck is going on here. Oh, fuck. What a drop, though. Nice drop. Come on. You can do it, Tommy. You can do it, Billy. Don't fuck me over here, pal. What a piece of shit. What a fucking piece of shit. That's twice I could have locked in some baby gains and I'd be fucking good, but no. What's NQ doing? Wow. Look what NQ did. 52, 40 fucking points. 40.1 minute candle. Monica, 19. 18 in here, 18 in here, and 1 in well charts. And I passed another eval, so I'll be at 20 on Monday. As long as I don't blow these today. Push it! All right, getting that rid of that. Come, oh, be a little fucking cuck. What a cuck. I was up another fucking. No, I wasn't. That was before. Whatever. Watch this go back up. Well, we're green now. I got a $50 day, but that's not. I mean, come on. Renee Bleh. Vince. Monica Lewinsky. I'm not taking them. Listen, I'm not going to be able to take all of these to a payout at the same time anyway. They're all on different days. I'll show you. As this goes back up, you fucking piece of shit. I don't know. Is it going to go back up? Watch this shit keep going. I am. That's the plan. That's the plan. Vince, what up? How many? When did I get taken out at? 708, and it went up to what? 750. I had $70 more. Whatever. I need more fucking coffee. Uh-oh. Rut-row. Maybe gold wants to go down more. What's NQ doing? Just cucking around now again. It's fucking hot in here, yo. Pop it. Oh, you fucker. I'm going to get stopped out. Maybe, maybe not. Oh, here's my, was that my other order? I don't know. But that's a 786 touch now. Let's see if we pump now. Well, not pump, but let's see if we go up 10, 15 ticks. I would love that. Is it not going to cooperate with me? Guess not. Maybe, maybe not. I don't fucking know. Maybe it does want the VWAP. Fuck me. I should have taken the 150 on the first trade. Wouldn't be fucking around with this shit anymore, right? It's going to go through this. Maybe. Oh, maybe not. Come on. Please. Don't play games with my heart. Ronnie, what up? Well, I mean, I got my stop in place, so if I get stopped out, I get stopped out. I won't be down much. But I don't want to. I want it to go back up. Interesting. When I expanded this fucking fib to the next low, the VWAP is right on the 707. Come on. Give me more. 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 Granny. More up. More up. Should have taken the $30. It was like for a fleeting moment. What's NQ doing? Real quick. Guess it's going down. Yeah, I'm going to get stopped out. Piece of shit. Piece of shit. We'll try again here. Ooh. Come on, give me like fucking 50 ticks. Give me 10 ticks. Damn. It's being such a little cuck right now. You see, chat? Make up your mind. Make up your mind, bruh. Do it for the stream. Do something cool. Do something cool. Do something cool. Do something cool. I'm taking it. It's going to keep going. I think it's going to go up more. I fucking knew it. I knew it. I fucking knew it. Jack Boom. Trading Star. Yeah, you heard that? Watch this shit keep going. Oh, my God. This is what I'm talking about. I just said if I fucking let myself get shaken out to lock in baby gains, it's going to keep going. This is what happens to me a lot. So now it's already up. How many more ticks? 7 more ticks? It went up 10 ticks. Fucking piece of shit. Whatever. Look at this account still in here. What is this account still doing in here? Of course, Ronnie. Of course. It retested. So where I had the fib before, let me readjust this. I had it here, chat. That last low. And look, it hit the 786. I had an order down there too, and I canceled it before. This shit's going to go up more. Whatever. How many more ticks has it gone up? Yeah, about 9 ticks since I got out. Thank you, Scalpster. Thank you. I know, too much green. I'm literally green everywhere I traded, which was basically Apex. Here's my 19th, Monica. My 19th funded account is with Apex is in well charts. Here it is. So I have 18 PAs in here. I have my 19th PA in my Trade of 8 account. It's passed. I passed his eval, and then 20. So on Monday I'll have 20 funded Apex accounts. Split view makes it easier. No, I'm good. No thanks. Hard pass. This is gonna go up more. This is gonna go up more. I fucking know it. I know it. I feel it. We all know it's gonna go up more because I let myself get taken out here. See? That's 12 ticks. That's 12 ticks. So I'd be up $200 something. That's 15 ticks. Fuck that, man. Every fucking time. Every fucking time. My biggest thing is making sure I have as much drawdown as possible. JP. It's looking pretty good. Oh, yeah, it's cool in here. That's all right, Carlos. Improper risk management. Trading Star. Oh, so remember Take Profit Trader took my 3 accounts away? They said I hedged, which I know I didn't. Well, I pleaded my case. And I got them back, motherfucker. I said, do you know who I am? And they said, oh, so sorry, sir. So sorry, sir. And they gave me back my accounts. There they are. Thank you very much to the surveillance team. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. Clinvale. I said, yeah, they said, so sorry, so sorry. They still think I did, but I don't know. I was like, it doesn't make any sense. The reporting only showed for 2 fucking accounts. The reporting only showed for 2 accounts. Like, why did you take all 3 away then? Why would you take all 3 of my accounts away if I allegedly only did it in 2? None of it made any sense anyway, but whatever. It doesn't matter. It's water under the bridge now. We're good. Universe hates me. Oh, yeah, totally tradable. Nayo, a milli. So, hey, just so you know, Take Profit Traders 30% off with no activation fee and 100% of your initial test fee refunded to you after your first payout. That ended. But they brought back 40% off with no activation fee when you use the best code, ZERODAYJAY. Yeah, I got them back, P. They're right here, bruh. Boom. And I have all my entire balance. I said, take that day away from me. I don't care. Take it away. They let me keep it. Oh, man. Is that what it is? Is that why? That's crazy, Josh. Yep. Savvy. Yeah. So you guys could start buying accounts with them again. I never told you not to. I still would. I grabbed these 350Ks. But now I don't even need them. Maybe I will in the future. I got here are my 225Ks that I activated last night. I didn't trade them yet, but I'm very happy about that. What's NQ doing? Anything? Oh my God, it is untradeable. I just wanted $90, $900 on this account. I don't trust this shit. I hate the fucking NQ. I fucking hate it. This is like the most appropriate low. All right, let's go get some more coffee. You coming with me? Let's go for a little walk. Tactical, what up? What are you doing? What are you doing, bro? Like what big tick? What are you doing? What's changed from when you were like on that heater getting payouts every day to whatever's been going on lately? I feel like you're just trying to force shit. Or maybe you're playing half a smash and it's not working out so good. I don't know. I want to help you, man. I'm trying to figure it out. But we're gonna go get some coffee. Is this gonna just keep bouncing over here? You know what's interesting about that? Man, the Fibonacci plays out on the smallest of time frames. Look at that. That's a 786 bounce, like right on it. You see that, chat? Hey, chat. Look at that 786 bounce for 14 ticks. It's not make that 18 ticks or 16 ticks. You see that? Hey, chat. All day, chat. Okay, chat. Thanks, chat. LK. I'm gonna grab a coffee too. Be right back. You know, when the other house I was renting, it was easier for me to just like leave the room and come back in like a minute because the coffee. It was just like I had to walk to the west, the west wing of the other trailer. In this trailer, I'm in the upper northwestern quadrant. Am I in the northeastern quadrant? I'm in the upper northeastern quadrant. Now I got to go downstairs into the southwestern quadrant. So I got to go like, you know what I mean? So I take you with me. 16 ticks. 16 ticks of a bounce. I would love that. I would love 16 ticks. No, I just wrote an email to them. I wrote an email. Oh, hey, Jordan. Oh, hey, Jay. Nah, I didn't cut my hair.
Oh, when did you cut your hair? Today?
He's on the beach today.
That's all right.
Don't show him where he works.
Why?
What do you mean, why? You ever heard of internet safety? Jesus.
I already told him where he works.
Oh, perfect. That's so great.
And Jordan works at Starbucks. Well, there's a million more of those.
Mm-hmm.
One of my regulars got me Dior nail polish, $24. I can't wear everything else. I wear my
Did you give up on me?
Look at gold cucking around. Back in the airplane bathroom. We're back in the airplane bathroom. All right. You still there, chat? Wow, 7. Oh, look, see? Look at that. Look at that. This was literally a fib from, let's see. How much time? 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 minutes. 8 minutes of up and down, and it bounced right off the 786 for fucking 86 for 21 ticks. 21 ticks with 1 mini is $210. Hey, Marcine. Hey, ZERODAYJay here. When accounts back? Preneur X. That's exactly what happened. I said it wasn't me. Carbo Night. I didn't send them pics. I just wrote what happened, and I threw in that I'm ZERODAYJay. I think that may have influenced it. I think being a streamer definitely influenced it, but I didn't violate the fucking rule. I don't care what that software says. I didn't violate it. DS. Oh my God. Yeah, why would you keep trading at that point, bro? Why would you trade? Why would you keep trading if you're at 5,500? No, but I really appreciate them giving me the account back, giving me the benefit of the doubt. So I don't know if I'll be so lucky if it happens again, but I just got to be more careful with the fucking copy trader. Alfred. Yeah, they were like, oh, my bad. That's exactly what happened. I said, look, I'm Rick James. Look at that. 786. It's just so crazy how this shit happens all day. Yeah, me too, man. Because I've been grinding these accounts. every I didn't even trade them every day. But I've had them for like 3 weeks and just slowly grinding them up. It was fucked up. Look at this. What ugly fucking price action. 56, 40 points. I told him, I said, listen. Canute. Oh yeah, well yeah, like Canute, bro. Treat when I'm trading evals, I'm trying to get them passed as quickly as possible. But if you slow grind it to pass the eval, why not just trade it the same way? Just trade it the same way. You got to, if it's, let's say it was I don't know what it was, a 50K. If it's a 50K, you got it to 3,000 in profit, taking your time. $3,000 in profit is $1,000 requested because you're 1,000 over the buffer from Take Profit Trader. Scalpster, ZB. It's $35 just per contract, per round trip. In and out, $35. ZB. I'll put it in the chat. Okay, chat? I don't trust this shit. The volume's fucking dried up. Look at like these candles. Don't even have any color to them. The candles are gray. I bet gold will have some price action before the day's over, though. It doesn't work in Bullinox? Oh. It's like a bond or something. Just mark it in and out of I don't know. NQ and how much you got to lose? How much you got to lose? Oh, Canute, of course, man. You know me. You know me. I may or may not have gotten frustrated by price action here or there. I wasn't sure, like 160. I don't know, market in and out of like 5 fucking GCs or something, or 5 NQs. Quick though. Minis. But Canute, I wasn't sure, like, you made it sound like you were trying to get a day one payout and blew your load. What a fucking bounce off this look, 86, it's up 22 ticks. Amazing. Doesn't sound like a lot, but as a scalper, it's nice. Oh, oh, you piece of shit. You fucking piece of shit. It was only 7 ticks. What up, Andy? This is going to drop. Mally, what up? P. Oh, that's funding ticks? Why are you even trading with them, bro? With all the shit that's been going on with them, you must have already had the accounts. All the shit that they did, the retroactive rule changes and shit. What up, GMS? I wouldn't fuck with them. Although I haven't fucked with them. But they've been, they were good until they decided to start, clamping down on everybody. It's funny how they ran that promo and then all of a sudden started retroactively changing rules. They're like, let's make one more push. This is the fucking roundtable discussion they had. Okay, chat. Let's make one more push to get as many new members as possible, and then we'll retroactively fuck them with new rules. Retroactively. Adam, what's up? Twan on. You could just let them know that let them know that you're traveling, but that's up to you, man. Maybe just wait. How long are you going to be gone for? If you put it in writing that you're going to be in a certain country or like a certain town or a certain city, you have it on record. Carbonite, yup. The F, exactly, bro. The fuck them traders special. You know, I remember when they were telling me, I remember when everybody would fucking jump on my stream and shit on me for calling Fast Track a scam and not wanting to get behind it or fucking trade with them. And they would say, a couple of people would say how Scott's a forward thinker. He is a forward thinker. He's got all these other prop firms using his playbook on how to fuck people, how to fuck traders. It's crazy. Preneur X. Anything that starts with F, yeah. Flexi trade. Wow, what a drop. What a drop. 16 ticks. Not a lot, but I would have gladly taken it right off the 707. You motherfucker. We'll see. I don't know. I might not be able to trade these anymore. I mean, I guess this is not bad. 119 for the first day, whatever. Not what I had drawn up, but I'll take it. It's better than being red. Crazy. Oh, shit. It came down and fucking filled me. What a drop, though. Look at that. 711 to, that's 21 ticks. Just in case. Uh-oh. Got any more in the tank here? Oh. What did I have? 30 bucks? I mean, that's up 4 ticks, but the spread is 2 to 3 ticks. Come on, push a little more. Push a little more. Uh-oh. Rut-row. Should have taken the 40 bucks. I'm playing with fire here. Actually, I don't think I am. I don't know. Whatever. Pump it! Ugh. I'm trying to let go of my trailing stop right here at the top of that candle, and it's not letting me. Piece of shit. Get up there! It won't let me move it up. How does it say 20? I'm going to end up with like 40 or 50 bucks here. $40. I got 40. Oh, look. Now it's going to go. Watch. I got 40. Can you see it? Can you see it, chat? Which after fees and shit is like fucking 35 bucks. Whatever. A little bit better than 119. I mean, it went up 3 more ticks. Nice. All right, man. You got what you needed? Why do you need what? Why do you need to lose money? Is it a funded account? Calvin, what up? Coach Calvin's in the house. Whack Arnold's is tearing his family apart. By the way, Apex. Oh, it went to the 618. You fucker. Here's the deal that's going on with Apex. It's ending on Tuesday at 11:59 p.m. Eastern. 80% off. Every account is the same price, every size, $39.20. The lifetime activation fee got extended a week till Tuesday night. $65 for the 25, 50, and 100s, and $125 for the 150, 250s, and 300s. Use the best code ZERODAYJAY. $25 resets. 786, baby. $25 to make them holler. Keep going. Oh, I had one already in there. Keep going. Oh, I had 40 bucks. Probably one trade too many in this account. Yeah, look. Uh-oh. I should have taken the 40. It happened too quick. All my links to all the firms I trade with is in the description below. You fuck. Go back up, please. I dipped in the cookie jar one time too many. It's going to go down. I had 40 bucks. What did I have, actually? I don't even know. Since I dipped in the cookie jar one time too many, if I get stopped out, I'm going to dip in the cookie jar another time too many. Oh, look at me. Can we go up a little bit now? Pump it. Give me $50. I want to be over 200. That would be cool. What the fuck? That's going to be like 60 or 70 bucks. I got an order down here. I'm way the fuck zoomed in. Whenever you're ready to take me out. Hey, I'm just curious. When you hear me get filled, do you hear it? Do you hear order filled, stop filled? Do you hear that shit? Or is it like hiding? Is it like silent? Yeah, Calvin, $25 resets are the play if you have accounts that you recently blew, without a doubt. Because I was doing the same thing. If you don't, oh, look, it went higher. It's up here now. It's up 3 more ticks. Whatever, it's fine. Everything's fine. Now I'm done. Let me make sure I don't have any open orders. That past eval gives me 20 funded Apex accounts starting Monday. You see, guys, I wish there was a way to do this faster. I feel like I missed one. Oh, whatever. We're good. So there it is, guys. Hey, chat. You see that, chat? Oh, yeah. I got to change that. There's a way to change that. Oh, it's in, you know where it is? It's in here. Oh, no, I don't want to do that. That's like an audio track. Hold on. I want to give PTSD. So I'm done with these. Oh, wow. Oh, yeah, look at that. I got out at a good spot. Maybe it does. Maybe it does want the VWAP. Look at it. It's 4:31 on a fucking Friday. It's making its way down there. Stevie J, what up? Chilling. Do I live stream each of the accounts? No. Whatever I'm trading when I'm streaming is what I traded. But 505 through 512. These 505. Let me do it in order. The 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These 8 I traded last night when I was streaming. And then Mr. McLean. And then what did I trade today? I traded these 6 on the stream: 5, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, and 25. So of the 19 funded accounts I have, just with Apex, I traded 14 of them on different streams. But I post, you know what I do though? I post when I'm trading. You know, when I'm like trading, you know, I'm balls deep in the market and trading and shit. I post everything in my I post like everything I got going on in the Discord, in the best community on these prop from streets. Here's the link. Here's the link. Here's the link. I'll drop it in the chat. It's free for now. Here's the link. Not all at the same time. I'll drop it in the chat. It's free, McLean, for now. Here's not all at the same time. What I do is
order filled.
Whatever I get together. So like if I like these 6, right? I passed all of these yesterday. And I activated them today. So now they're in a group together. These 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 I passed together. So they're in a group together because they got activated at the same time. These 4 I activated together. 5, 10, 11, and 12. Unfortunately, I'm an idiot. Sometimes I fuck up the group. Like I forget to check it off or check it back on and I'm in a trade or whatever. But they're pretty close. But I've been trading these together since day one. Since the day I got them. These 2, interestingly enough, I got at separate times. They're a day apart. I got this one a day after I got this one. 517, I got a day after 513. But after one day of trading both of them, the profits were the same. They were literally identical, so I put them together in a group. And then 504 and 503 were being traded together also, and I fucked that up. You know, I didn't fuck it up, but then they're separate because they're not even really close to each other. I also got denied on both of these, and now I'm in max payout land, so now they're gonna have to pay me more. As long as I didn't violate any rules. I don't think I did. I should be all right. I should be good. And then this one's by itself. This one's by itself in here. That's my 19th account in wealth charts. Still, it's very lonely in there, and it's gonna stay lonely in there. And then like these 3 take profit trader accounts, I got these together, so I trade them together. But there's a discrepancy in the profit because I fuck up sometimes with the fucking groups, and shit like that happens. These 2 I activated together, so they're gonna be traded together. These trade days. Oh, I got filled. I didn't even know. I didn't even hear it. I must have got filled exactly when I muted the video to post my link in there. These 2 I trade together. These 2 funded trade days, they're in a group together. These Bullinoxes are in a group together. I got 2 funded Bullinoxes that I just requested my 4th payout. I've had these accounts. I've had these Bullinox funded accounts since fucking October 3rd. And I just requested my 4th payout. A lot of firsts happening for me in the last couple of months. This Lucid, I forgot to trade this Lucid account. What's going on with this trade day account? I fucking hate the NQ. Have I told you guys how much I hate the NQ? I could have just went long. That's what I should have done. Should have just went long, guys. Hey, chat. I don't think I'm going to get 9 points, but if I could get like 3 or 4, that'd be cool. Captain Price. What up, Cube? Hey, do you have a funded account? You guys heard it? Did you guys? No, I don't know if you guys heard it. I didn't even hear it. The 30% rule, well, there's the 30% consistency rule, and then there's the 30% improper risk management rule. That's the one you really got to worry about. But just don't lose more than 700 on a 50K, for example. If you're under the buffer, don't go down more than $750 in a trade. That's where risk management comes into play. Set your fucking stop loss right before 750 and then have an order right below it. If you feel like you believe in if you still believe in the move. Lucid uses Plaid. They use Plaid in the States and in the US, and then I forgot what they called the other thing. They use some other shit. It's like an ADP product for international. Can we go down a little bit more? I feel like I'm wasting my time on this fucking trade when I know gold is probably moving better. What's gold doing? Yeah. Almost touched the VWAP. And I'm just dicking around. I mean, the market's almost ready to close, but I fucking hate the NQ. But I like to trade it. I like to trade it on evals to get my days in because, I do okay doing that on evals. It won't get it blown. It just, you'll get denied. You violate the rules. So when you request, they're kind of lenient with it. If you're like right there and you blew it by 10 or 20 bucks, they'll probably let you slide. I think it's at their discretion, right? Whoever's reviewing your payout request. But I went down a lot more. I was down. I think I was down as much as 50% of my original drawdown in the trade that it happened with. And it didn't matter. It came back or whatever, and I was able to request. All I care is that I still have the account. They don't take the account from you. But yeah, they're not like sticklers to the T, to the dollar. They'll give you a little bit of leeway. I've heard plenty of situations where they'll give you leeway. I've
Order
even
rejected.
I already have an order. I already have an order in there. All right. Can we just drop some more, please? This is so fucking annoying. This was doing this before when I was trying to get this done. It was doing this before, right before Power Hour. Driving me fucking crazy. Thank you. No, don't come back up, you little fucker. Go lower. Hit my take profit, you piece of shit. No? Probably after I get taken out. But whatever, I'll take it. Let's go. Yo, come on, bruh. Lower. That might be it. I'll take it.
Stop filled.
Cool. It's probably going to go down more, but whatever. I'll take a $348 day on an eval. Whatever. That's all I could get. Mob Barley. Can you feel me? Crank. Oh, you hear it? Hey, I've been wanting you guys to hear it. You guys should hear it with me. I didn't know you could fucking, there was a setting in Streamlabs that you have to fucking select to play audio. Don't worry. He's fucking wild. He's trading micros and he fucking lines up the orders. I don't trade like that. I trade differently. So you won't hear order filled nearly as much. Jay Hundo. You got that, bro? Nice, man. What up, Sean? Do I still got to show video proof for Apex? Some people get asked once in a while. I would gladly show them proof. I would say, here's my YouTube channel. But I would make a video. If that's what I got to do to get paid, then I'll do it. I don't care. I tell them, I guess my way in and I guess my way out. And I'll be like, this looks like a good place to guess. This looks like a good place to place a guess. Oh, yeah. Scalpster. And then I'll be like, when I win the trade in the video, I'll be like, Carbonite, I know. At this point, they know how I trade. I'll be like this on the video, I'll be like, oh, man. Jay Hundo. Hey, it's the best code. The best fucking code. Look at this. All right, I got to move this. This 786, when I drew it before, is holding still. The next low is down here, chat. Oh, thank you, Scalpster. I appreciate it. Yeah, just so you know, guys, here's some deals that are going on. I told you about Apex. Look what's going on in here. It's just 141 messages in the last hour and a half on a Friday. It's fucking true. All right, so check this out. I told you about Bullinox, 91% off and no activation fee. Why aren't my automated fucking things showing up in here? That's annoying. 91% off Bullinox for no, I wish no activation fee. 91% off Bullinox, option 150Ks or bigger. There is an activation fee. Lucid. One free reset with every 5 purchases of Flex or Pro. New users who've never used Lucid, which, by the way, I love Lucid. I have a funded account with them. I just haven't touched it yet today. Wow, well, look at that little happy little bounce. 678, 20 ticks almost. 40%, 50% off your first 2 purchases of Flex or Pro for new users if you've never had an account with them. Really good deal. 40% off 25K and 50K for existing users, Flex or Pro. 30% off everything else. Use the best code ZERODAYJAY. Here's the Apex deal again. If you have accounts that you recently blew because you trying to load up on funded accounts during their $19.60 promotion from that ended on Tuesday. Don't buy new accounts. Just reset them for $25 if you want to keep pushing. But if you need to grab new accounts, use the best code ZERODAYJAY. My link's in the description below. What else we got? Here's some shit with my funded futures. The rapid plan, daily payouts, 20% off with the code ZERODAYJAY. The pro accounts still might be 30% off. I'm not 100% sure, but if you ever wanted to grab an account with them, any size account, and you want to support the channel, put my code in anyway, even on the ones that you don't get a discount, because it may give you a little good luck, because my code does have the highest pass rate, the highest payout rate, and the fastest payout rate. Trade day is 40% off with no activation fee. And what else? Take Profit Traders, 40% off with no activation fee. I think that covers everything. Psychic. Allegedly on Tuesday at 11:59 p.m. Nanad, yeah. You want my trade evade or trading view, or both? Man, look at this. That 786, I mean the 707 on the larger time frame held for how many ticks? 892. Oh, it's right to the top orb. Go figure. 892, 210 ticks from here. You see, guys, from the all-time high to the low when it dropped after hitting the all-time high, that pullback, back up, rejected at the 707. You see, guys? But here are my settings. These are the three you want: the 618, the 707, and the 786. And I just color them gold so I could see the golden shower pocket. All right, and then in Trade Evade, it's pretty much the same. Same shit. The thing is, when you draw a fib on Trade Evade, it's the opposite direction. So on TradingView, if you want to draw a fib, right? If I wanted to draw a fib looking for a bounce, I would draw it from the bottom to the top, from here. So here's a low, here's a high. Hey, look, we hit this. Well, we wicked below, way below, but whatever. Here you go from the low to the high to look for a bounce, and then for a rejection, you go from the high to a low. You go from like this. You go from the high down to the low. Okay? On Trade Evade, and it's the same on Project SlipX if you use that. On Trade Evade, it's the opposite. If you want to draw for a bounce, you got to draw from the high to the low. So I'm going, if I want to look for a bounce opportunity, I go from the, let me see if I can draw a better example. I would go from like right here, from a high to a low, the opposite. And then there's your, look, the 786, go figure. You see chat? And then if I want to go for a rejection, you go from the low to the high. Like, I'll show you one where it actually played out. Low to high. So it's the opposite. TradingView and Trade Evade are opposite each other. Low to the high to get the rejection, to get it on that side. You see, chat? No problem. No problem. Scalpster, there's too much work for my phone. There's so many people who trade just on their phone. Well, I can't trade with trade day anymore. So let me just make sure I don't have any open orders. Trade day's done for the day. Loose is done for the day. I couldn't trade with them today, unfortunately, but whatever, it's fine. This is something else that I've been, this muscle I've been developing where I don't have to trade every account I have. I didn't trade my funded Lucid account. Why is this still in here? I blew this yesterday. I don't have to trade every funded Lucid account. I don't have to trade every account. I didn't trade my Lucid account. I didn't trade my 2 funded trade day accounts. I didn't trade any of my funded take profit trader accounts. I'm perfectly fine with it. I'm okay. It's okay. They'll be there for me on Sunday night when the market opens. I haven't touched my Bullinox accounts, although I have evals. I have one eval that came through on a rebuild. I haven't touched my funded Bullinox accounts because I'm waiting to get paid. I'm waiting one more day to get paid. I might still trade my take profit traders though, but this shit ain't moving. I'm also went along in Ethereum since yesterday. I don't know if you can see that. I was playing. I reset my laptop and everything fucking defaults to gold for some reason because gold is the shit. This isn't a problem. This is one of my Mexi, just one of my accounts, my Mexi exchange account. So if you look at ETH on the daily, the shit works with crypto too. Just expect it to play out on larger time frames. So we got the low here. We got the low here. We got a high here. Came right to the 786. I had my order around the 707. It got filled. I was up a little bit. I was up around this area. And then on the shorter time frame, look at this. On the shorter time frame, it rejected on the 786. It pulled up, bounced to the 786, and then dropped, went lower. So I was down like 150 to 200 bucks at one point, but it came back. I still think it's gonna run to like, one of these fucking levels in the golden shower pocket. So I have a take profit. Where's my take profit? Let me see if I could find it for you guys. Okay, chat. Did I set my take profit? Yeah, look right here. My take profit is set to $31.97 right now, which would make me $600 on that trade. Well, we'll see. Anyway, and if you guys want to, well, whatever. If you want to trade on Mexi, let me know. I'll drop my link in the chat. Okay, chat. Rick. I put on a master class like every day, bro. I gotta make a video though. I gotta make some videos about it. I really want to. Because it'll not only that, more people will find me. It'll help me grow my channel. I just haven't. You're about to get 1,200, bro? Nice, Scalpster. I love it. Scalpster, yeah, it's tough. It's tricky to draw on a phone. I can only imagine when you're like, you got your phone in your hand and you're trying to draw a fucking fib. That's, you got to like hold down and like drag it. I'm sure it's doable, but it's probably not. It probably could get messy on the screen. You see, guys, that's how I'm going to make the video like, hey, look, hey, chat. You see, chat? Give me a 3. Oh, man. I play, Rick, I will. I plan to it. Yeah, Cube, 8,000. 8,000. Who's that? JCap? $8,000 for fucking JCap's fucking shit. And if you ask too many questions, you might get cursed out. The guy, I mean, shit. He did get a $2 million payout from Apex, but I'm not gonna turn around and if I'm able to pull that off or something crazy like that, I'm not gonna turn around and fucking be like, all right, well, if you want to have access to me, it's gonna be $8,000. Lolly, a lot of you guys trade on your phones. That's crazy. I've tried doing that. It ain't fun. I've just come to especially with Tradeovate. The Tradeovate app is fucking awful. Awful. Hey, chat. This shit died. What's NQ doing? Crazy, chat. Oh, by the way, if you're not in the best community on these prop firm streets, I highly recommend you join, or I would love to have you. We would all love to have you. It's the best community. You hang out in there for a little while, you'll understand why. It's the DGen fam. We all want each other to win. Pine Tree, what up? I'm not. I get it too. Really? I'm fucking still gonna hang out, man. I'm still gonna hang out. I'm just gonna say, you see, guys. You see, guys. Yeah, it's not that much. Sorry, chat. I'm just looking at something in the Discord. Something funny. Too funny. It's too funny. Oh shit, we just popped 17 ticks, yo. This seems to be an area of support for now, or we're flagging one or the other. It's either going to curl up when the market reopens on Sunday. It's probably going to fucking pop up or go down, but obviously, but this is either flagging or it's curling up to go back up to the upside. But who knows? Who knows? What up, Doomslayer? Damn, K. Suleiman. Rick, how much am I going to charge? A bajillion. I want to be, competitive. I want to be competitive, I want to try to keep up with all these guys that all of a sudden they have, one big payday and all of a sudden they're qualified to have a mentorship, But that's fine. Marcin. Is there? I bet there is a Santa coin. Oh, yeah, of course, Rick. If it's free, no one will value it. Anyway, the market's done. I got to bounce. Thank you so much to everyone for hanging out. Smash the like button for Trevor LeConte on your way out. Subscribe to the channel if you're not yet subscribed. Hit the notification bell. I stream every day for Power Hour, to and through close, and I stream at other random times. I've been streaming during Asia randomly last couple of nights. Now that I have my freaking my airplane bathroom. So I will see you guys soon. I'll be hanging out in the Discord all weekend, but I'll see you guys soon, all right? Enjoy the rest of your day. Thanks again. Peace.